Hey viewers, this is Gabriel over here at Marinemax in St. Pete. Today you're going to be looking at the 13 Supersport from Boston Whaler. This is a brand new 2018 13 Supersport. It's a great lake boat, great tender for some of the big yachts, and also just great family boat. Great boat to go to the sandbar, to the islands. It's 13 feet. This is the 60th anniversary edition, so it'll have the 60th anniversary badge on it as well. 40 horsepower Mercury on the back. It's a boat, motor, trailer package, so everything you see here comes with the boat, as well as the bimini top. Got to have that here in sunny Florida. Just an all-around great boat. You can fit 4 people as a capacity on this boat, so you can fit 2 comfortably over here on the bench seat and 2 comfortably in the front as well. Tons of options for this boat. You can basically be the painter, and this can be your canvas. You have bucket seats you can get, you have bow cushions you can get, extra fishing rods or fishing rod holders you can get. So there's a lot of opportunities, a lot of options with this boat. So if you want to hear more about this boat, if you're interested in asking more questions about it, give me a call, which my number is 863-370-1708. Look forward to hearing from you.